Hi everyone, I am Aman from Hemen Exports. Today I am going to show you empty drip coffee bags. These are empty drip coffee bags. Clean and convenient packaging for your coffee brands. ये हमारे पास दो वेरिएंट में अवेलेबल है. One is biodegradable and the other one is regular. आपको इसमें अपनी कॉफ़ी फिल करनी है, सील करना है. Then your brand is ready to go in the market. For more information or to buy these coffee bags, contact us on given numbers.